friends, welcome. It's Man's Life, Roulette. Today we will discuss about a new trick, the even and odd number trick. The payout in even and odd is equal to red and black. It's 1:1. For every dollar we play and we're gonna win, we will pay back with $1 profit. So before starting the video, let me show you my bankroll is $3,55,000 and we will play for a target of $1,000 with $100 bet size. And what are the strategy and how we can manage our bankroll or the bet size, I will discuss in this video. So without wasting time, let's start the video with this trick. So my last number was 29. Here my last number was 29, so it's a even number, so I will go with even number and put my bet at even places. And whenever I lose, I will shift my bet to odd number. And with adding 1 unit means I will play for 200 units. So it's 18. Now the fresh number is 18 and it's an even number, so I will play with even number and play. And I win. So when I win, I will not do anything to my bet size and we continue with same even number with $100 bet. It's again even number, I win, so again I will continue with even number with $100 bet. Till I win in a number, I will not shift to other number. Now I lose at even number, it's 15 odd, so I will play with odd number, but I will play with double the amount of adding 100 unit, means 200 unit at odd number. It's 7 odd, so I win. So again, when I win, I will just reduce 100 unit from a previous bet and I will continue with that number. 7 is an odd number, so I will continue with the odd but with $100 now. Again, 5 is an odd number, I win, so I will continue with the 5 with a $100 bet. Friends, this is the quickest and easiest trick to make money. You don't need to analyze the table or don't need to analyze the system. You just can make money. It's 29 odd again, so I will put $100 at odd and play. Even a beginners can make money with this trick. You don't need to search for any other trick if you want to have a small profit at a time. Last number was 33. 31 and odd, so I will play with an odd number and play. It's 33 again. It's an odd number, so I will play with an odd but $100 bet now. It's 18 and even number, I lose, so I play with now for even numbers but with adding $100 to my bet size. So it's 200 at even number. It's 15 odd, I lose again, so I will shift to odd number with $300 bet now. It's 19 odd and I win, so I will continue with that odd but with $200 now. I reduce $100 as I win. It's 3 odd. I'm just $100 short to my target and last number was an odd number, so I will go with odd but reducing 100 unit. It's 100 unit now at odd. And 5, I win and I achieve my target. Friends, we have started our video with 3,55,000. 55,000, and our target we set is $1,000. And now exactly our bankroll is 3,56,000, means we have made a profit of $1,000 or we achieved the target within this 4 minutes of play. So this is the strategy. It's very simple. You can apply this trick to any kind of roulette, whether that is online, whether that is offline, and maximize your profit. The trick, once again, at the end. I will remind you the trick. Just play with the last outcome. Means here, look here, last number was 5, so play with the 5. 5 is an odd number, so play the bet with the odd, and always start with the minimum bet. I have taken it as $100, so when I lose, I will shift to other, means even number, and increase my bet to 1 unit for the 100 unit. If again I lose, then again I shift to odd number and play with $300. And if I win, I just reduce $100 from my last bet amount and continue. And friends, this is the easiest and quickest way to make money in roulette. I hope you have understood this technique. If you like this video, then do share with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.